Just a simple reminder to download the free wallpapers that I've got you in the first link. Today we have a very first look at the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and finally we know what colors it comes with. So stay till the end of the video to know which ones. So as we can see here in the renders, the 6.7-inch inner display, the punch hole camera and the bezels are nearly identical to the predecessors. On the right you'll find the power button which doubles as a fingerprint reader, the volume rockers and 4 antenna bands. On the left is the SIM card tray at the same position with more antenna bands. And on the top there are 2 antenna bands and it seems that the device has 2 microphones, which is one more than the Flip 5. Lastly, at the bottom of the phone there's the USB-C port, speaker and microphones. When unfolded, the phone's dimensions measure approximately 165.0 by 71.7 by 7.4 millimeters, indicating a likely increase in the battery size due to the depth increasing from 6.9 millimeters to 7.4 millimeters. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Twitter at tech_section. According to a previous leak from Ross Young on Twitter, suggests that the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will come with a 3.9-inch exterior display, but the 5K renders reveal that the cover screen maintains its 3.4-inch size and the folder-shaped display. Other than that, the dual camera setup and the placement of the flash retain their positions. Samsung may offer the Galaxy Z Flip 6 in 4 colors: light green, light blue, silver and yellow. One leak suggests that the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 6 will feature a 50-megapixel main camera sensor, which is a significant upgrade from the 12-megapixel sensor in the current Galaxy Z Flip 5. And if you want to see how the Z Fold 6 will look like, you can watch this video afterwards. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.